This is 468. 468 spinning. Oh no! Don't spin.
20.
Oh, don't spin. No!
Let's just stay calm.
Stay calm. Stay.
We don't need Raging Cajun spinning. No Raging Cajun spinning.
For sure. You know? Let's
the things we enthusiasts do.
Let's get. Oh, this thing is. Oh, I hope this is the last one.
No more.
Looks like we got at least one more.
Why are we spinning so much?
Oh, not enough, dude. Oh, there we go.
Mercifully, it is over.